Mitochondria, your inner power plants and how to multiply them. Imagine every single cell in your body as a tiny city. Inside each city sits a power plant, the mitochondrion. Its main job? To create energy so that you can think, move, repair, and thrive. The currency of this energy is called ATP, adenosine triphosphate. As the consciousness shift began this year across the entire planet, we are now ready to begin a new life, more mindful, elevated, and aligned. Our bodies are no longer designed for the old world's patterns. To match the new Earth frequency, we must evolve through intention, energy, and habit. Because forming new habits is not just productivity, it's the foundation of awakening your body, mind, and soul to the new timeline. Think of ATP like charged batteries. Every heartbeat, every breath, every step you take is fueled by these tiny energy packets. Without enough ATP, the whole system slows down. You feel tired, foggy, and weak. So how does your body produce ATP? Inside mitochondria, nutrients from food, mainly glucose and fatty acids, enter a process called cellular respiration. Through a series of chemical reactions, electrons are passed along chains, oxygen is used as the final acceptor, and as a result, a flood of ATP is generated. It's brilliant engineering built into your biology. But here's the challenge. As we age, stress, toxins, poor sleep, and processed food can damage mitochondria and reduce their number. Fewer mitochondria means less ATP and lower vitality. The opposite is also true. Strong mitochondria equal better recovery, sharper thinking, and slower aging. So how do we make more? 1. Movement and exercise. Intense but smart training like HIIT or sprinting signals your cells to build more mitochondria. This is called mitochondrial biogenesis. Even brisk walking or cycling helps. 2. Cold exposure. Cold plunges or showers force your body to adapt, increasing mitochondrial efficiency and brown fat activation. 3. Intermittent fasting. When you go without food for several hours, your cells clean themselves and build stronger mitochondria to become more energy efficient. 4. Sunlight. Morning light helps regulate your circadian rhythm, indirectly improving mitochondrial function. 5. Breathwork and controlled hypoxia. Practices like the Wim Hof method or intermittent hypoxic training stimulate resilience and mitochondrial growth. Supplements that support mitochondria. 1. Coenzyme Q10, vital for the electron transport chain. 2. Creatine, quick ATP recycling for muscles and brain. 3. Magnesium, required for ATP to be biologically active. 4. Methylene blue. In very low doses, it can act as an electron carrier and improve energy production in mitochondria. Always research safe use. 5. PQQ, pyrroloquinoline quinone, shown to promote the creation of new mitochondria. When you strengthen these cellular power plants, everything changes. Your metabolism speeds up, your brain feels alive, and you become more resilient against stress and aging. This is why biohacking isn't about gadgets. It's about understanding that the deepest source of energy isn't coffee or sugar. It's the mitochondria within every cell. Treat them well, and they will power a life full of clarity and strength. This is not an accident. You were guided here, not by chance, but by something deeper within you calling you to remember. Only those who are ready ever find messages like this. This is more than a habit. It's your code. The way we move, eat, breathe, and think must match the energy of what's coming. And what's coming is higher. Align with it. Live it. and rise into the timeline where your fullest self is waiting. This is Habit Code, and the next episode starts right now.